Hello everyone, this is Lola from PLASTERBOARD. PLASTERBOARD is a professional enterprise with 30 years professional experience. Today, I will introduce 3 types of gypsum board. This is a standard gypsum board. The main materials of gypsum board is accurate natural gypsum powder. It can be widely used in hotel, school, and so on. The main materials of this board is high fiber reinforced materials and fireproof additive. It can widely used in fireproof requirement environment. This is a waterproof gypsum board. The main materials of this board is high fiber reinforced materials and hydrophobic absorbent materials. It can be widely used in strong humidity environment such as bathroom and kitchen and so on. If you have any requirements, please feel free to contact us. Bye bye.
Bye bye.